Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to Doing Group. Hello everyone. Today we're going to introduce the distillation equipment, which can refine diesel, refine the flue oil and waste engine oil to the non-standard diesel. So this is the 3D video of the working process. You can look at this, and later we will introduce it and tell you about the detail. Any questions you have, you can leave in the comment section, or you can send a private message to us. Our sales manager can answer you and give you our catalog and the price list. Okay, welcome. This is the 3D video, and we are the manufacturer of the distillation equipment, pyrolysis plant, and the carbonization furnace, and the e-waste recycling equipment. If you want to visit our factory or know more information about the price list, you can send a private message to us, tell us your requirements. Our sales manager will contact with you immediately, send you about our quotation. All the equipment can be customized. We have different type of the equipment. Later we will show you about the parameters of this distillation equipment. That is to purify the waste oil, like the waste engine oil, lubricated oil, or the tire oil, plastic oil. After the pyrolysis, we can get the diesel. We always call it a distillation plant, or the pyrolysis oil distillation plant, or refinery plant. If you want to know more information, now in the comment section we have our WhatsApp and email. You can add our information to us privately, directly to get the catalog. Or if you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. We can have a communicate. This 3D video is about the distillation equipment that can process the oil, the waste engine oil, lubricated oil, or the pyrolysis oil. It includes the distill and the color section. You can look at this 3D video first. We will introduce about the details of the device and section later. And now we are have our own factory. So if you have this requirements to visit, you can tell our sales manager. Our factory is in Henan province in China, next to our company. The company is in Zhengzhou City, Henan province. We have different devices, like this is the distillation equipment, and also we have the waste tire, waste plastic, pyrolysis equipment, and the PCB board, solar panel, lithium battery, crushing and separation device, and the biomass carbonization furnace. And also this, like today, introduced about the distillation plant. Now there are different devices that can purify the pyrolysis oil or waste engine oil to the diesel. It includes the stove and the color system. This is the we have different capacity, like 1 ton, 5 ton, 15 ton, 7 ton, can reach to your requirements. And you just have different configurations, you need to contact with our sales manager and engineer, and we can give you the best certificate plan for you. All the equipment can be customized. And this is the purification system. That all the device are environmental friendly, there are no pollution during the production. And in the purification system, we have different plan that the policy is different in different regions. So there are different ways to purify the harmful gas during our production. Okay, and let's start from here. This is the new distillation plant. We also have another technique. And this is the conduction OU. It will reach to the whole system for the double heating system. The high slot because this is the highest point, have the potential energy is the highest to let the conduction OU liquidly fill to the whole system. This is the furnace and the caloric. Okay, and let's start from the beginning. This is the conduction oil furnace, which is equipped with 400,000 calorie burner to heat the conduction oil. And this is the circulating water system of the conduction OU. All the water are just circulated, there are no water waste. We go to the condensing system, and this is a water pool. Here is a reactor equipped with 400,000 calorie burner and a tail gas burner. The red part inside is the coil used to carry this conduction OU. The oil is like this showed. It is go inside in the bottom and go out from the up of the tube that can fully heat exchange. And when the temperature rise, the first thing that to distill is the water, and part of the OU of this is solid fireball OU. And here is the buffer tank. The filter inside is the valve ring, can prevent the pop from falling and reduce the gas flow speed. And then the this kind of the gas will go into the condensation system and go to the first storage tank. And then as the temperature rise, we will get the oil gas will begin to produce. And this is the diesel we have. Now temperature is nearly 380. Just in order to protect the catalytic, so we designed the previous section of the OU doesn't go to the catalytic tank. It will just control by this valve, and then they will just directly go into the condensation system and go into the first oil tank. Because the catalytic is a kind of expensive consumption during our production. This tank equipped with the glass tube that can observe the color of the OU. Well, if the color OU is just not ideal, they will go into the catalytic tower. And this is the uncondensable gas will turn to the furnace for heating. and then they will use the tail gas burner to heat the reactor. And the next oil will go through the catalytic tower. This is two kind of the catalytic. This is the ceramic bowl that's to give the standard of the catalyst. Then they will go through the tank and go into this second oil storage tank. Same as the before, go into the tail gas burner. And now we finished our distill system. But if you want like more lighter diesel oil, we can use equipped it with the white clay decoloring tank. And first we need to vacuum the clay decoloring tank first, so as to subsequent the oil. It will be pumped into this inside. And this is a negative pressure system to pump the oil. And the concentration oil inside. Here is a white clay. Put it into the oil, and they will just mix it. We need about nearly 5% of the white clay. And then here is in this tank, it will have the motor mixing pump to mix about nearly half an hour. Then the oil will pump into this blade filter to fill out the white clay. The oil that with the white clay will circulate it continuously in the blade filter and the white clay decoloring tank. Here are the glass tube that can see the color, whether it can just reach to your requirements. And then the oil will go into this. Here, it's called the back filter. We have two back filter. One is for use right now, and one is just standby filter. And this is the last filter used to clean the clay, which makes the refined oil liquid the quality better. The filter back inside. And then the oil after refined will go into the finished product oil tank. And this is the air compressor, which is used to blow the air back into the blade filter to dry the white clay handling inside the filter and making it easier for them to fall off. And then you see, we will use the vibration motor to activate it to filter out the white clay. That is to blow the wind inside, dry the white clay in this blade. Here is the vibration motor to clean the clay. And here is the flue gas treatment system, purification system. We have the spring tower, and also the sulfidation towers to remove the sulfur dioxide. And also we have the post dust collector, cyclone dust collector to purify them. They have different technique and different device. So our equipment are without pollution. can reach to different standards in different regions. They have different plan. And so if you want to have this device or have this business, you can contact with our sales manager, tell us which country you want to have this the business, and we can just give you introduce about the policy and the market in your regions. And if there are our project cases in just next to your countries, you can also visit to see the working line of our equipment and the quality. And now we have our customers in more than 120 countries, so it's very convenient for you to visit our client's factory. And also, if you want to see our factory is in Henan province in China, and covered an area more than 40,000 square meters. All the equipment, all the devices are built in our factory, so you can see the quality, see the technique. So if you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. Or if you want to know more information about the distillation equipment, you can also contact with our sales manager. And let's see the catalog of our plant. A 3D video is our distillation equipment, and if you are new here, you can look at this, or later we will introduce again about the detail technique. And then let's see about our catalog to see the parameters of the distillation equipment. Yes, this is the brief introduction. Can you see the word clearly? Here it is. The oil distillation machine adopts double heating ways. One is through fast heating system using circulated heating medium, and another way is the normal flue heating system. The heating medium is the heating oil, just will go through the whole system of the plant. In this way, it will not only save heating flue, also speed up the working process. And the final products we get, the color of the diesel directly product from the standard equipped distillation system is brown yellow. Well, if you want to get the high quality or more pure diesel, you can use this the white clay decoloring system and get the more lighter color. And this is the PLC system to save the worker and to reduce your working efficiency. All the PLC system is just in our factory. It will just build in our factory, so it is 100% same as your customized working line. The PLC integrated control use this high technology. We have our own engineer, so if you need to customize or to get more higher working efficiency, then you can contact with our sales manager and see if it's available to get this processing line. We don't have the parameters of the distillation plant in this catalog. Here are the projects. The customer visit our factory, our company. This is the factory to have the reactor, the pyrolysis plant reactor and the distillation reactor. a customer in England. Here it is in our factory. This is the one of the batch type pyrolysis plant prototype in the factory. If you come here, the first equipment you see is this, the pyrolysis plant in the condensation system. Here is the reactor for 15 tons per day. Some delivery pictures. Now we have our customers in more than 120 countries. So it's very convenient for you to visit our project cases or to see the market, know the market of your regions. Here is the pyrolysis plant. And like this is much more bigger than that one because this is for 50 tons per day, the continuous one. We have 3 types of the pyrolysis plant, the batch type, semi-continuous and fully continuous. And here is the project cases in China. Liaoning province, which have the 8 batch type pyrolysis plant, and this is the Shanxi to process the coal tar sludge. Tianjin province, a customer to process the mixed the hazardous waste. And this is the distillation equipment in Anhui province. This customer is for the semi-continuous pyrolysis plant. Because we have 3 types, the batch type and fully continuous and the semi-continuous one. The semi-continuous is to process the carbon black and the plastic particles with high efficiency and don't need to slack the carbon black at a normal temperature. This is the fully continuous pyrolysis plant in Liaoning province. And now in China, almost in each province, we have our project case. So if you want to see the project cases in Chinese or to see our factory, more convenient to come, and it's very just convenient about transportation. This is some customer abroad, America, of the fully continuous pyrolysis plant. And this is a batch type with this is a unit of the condensation system. And the distillation equipment in South Africa. We have our subsidiary companies in Africa and Nigeria because there are many customers, whether the customers of the pyrolysis plant or the cassava, the oil. And here there is also a fully continuous pyrolysis plant in Kazakhstan to process the waste tire for 50 tons per day. Mexico, Brazil. Another Mexico project case, which have 12 batch type pyrolysis plant in Vietnam, Brazil, Philippines. Here are some like the patent certificate of this equipment. Like we have several patents, like the safety device or the purification device, like the vacuum device, the auto removal system. It's all our patent. We have our own engineering team, and all the equipment can be customized. Here are the patent certificates. So any questions you can just leave in the comment section, or you can send a private message to us. Tell us your WhatsApp, email, and our sales manager can send you our catalog. Here is the batch type pyrolysis plant. We have three kinds of the pyrolysis equipment: the batch type, semi-continue, and fully continue, which have different working efficiency. The batch type is for one batch for one day and can process tire, waste plastic, oil sludge, coal tar sludge, aluminium plastic, or other uncommon materials, and can get the flue oil from them. Then flue oil we can use at the like the bricks factory for heating, cement factory, glass factory. This is a batch type pyrolysis plant. Well, if you are interested in the pyrolysis system, you can leave in the comment section and let's see the 3D video of them. This is a 3D layout. The feeding system, pyrolysis system, condensation system, and the deep processing of the carbon black, and this is all the removal system. This is the analysis of profit analysis. You can, for reference, we can see about the consumption and the income every day, right, in which step. But because the price is different in different regions and the market is changed, so just for reference about different section. Like we don't have the water consumption, and we have the power, and the labor and the raw materials to consume. And this is the pyrolysis plant. For reference, not the same as the distillation equipment. And here is the example is a 10 ton per day of the pyrolysis batch type pyrolysis plant. Because like in different regions, the tires price is different, and also the power consumption is not the same, and the price list and the price of the tire oil is also changed. Like in China, in these years, nearly 3,000 or 4,000 each ton, but a few years ago it is more than 5,000. So just changed a lot, and the market has changed. But if you want to know about this more information, you can contact with our sales manager. They can give you analysis in your regions, or just according to your raw materials. This gives an example of the waste tire, but also we have plastic and oil sludge, coal tar sludge. They have different oil yield. And the same as distillation equipment, different waste oil like waste engine oil, tire oil, or lubricated oil, price and the profit is also not the same. This is the parameter of the batch type pyrolysis plant. The smallest one we have is 10 kilogram per day. The largest one is 20 ton per day. It's a little bit smaller than the 40 continuous. The 40 continue have the highest working capacity, is 50 ton per day. And like this, you can see about the weight, the power, and the labors required, and the land occupied size for 10 ton is nearly 200 to 300 centimeter. You may ask, what is the raw material and what products we can get after pyrolysis? And the most common material we use is the waste tire and plastic. The oil yield for waste tire is nearly 40 to 45%. And also we have 35% of the carbon black, 15% of the steel wire, and the syngas. And about the plastic and other solid waste. If you get the pure plastic, the oil yield can reach to 90% to 95%. But some garbage, daily waste, or construction waste, and the oil yield is kind of different. So we need to experiment. You can send your raw material to our factory and we can have a test, a free service for you. Okay, we analyze this. Is it profitable for you to have this raw materials? Oil sludge, one of the hazardous waste. They have different state, are suitable for different pyrolysis plant. Most of the oil sludge customer will choose the batch type pyrolysis plant. We can get the pyrolysis OU, and the soil residue and the syngas. And this is a unique pyrolysis furnace to process the biomass, like the coconut shell, or plum shell, or corn cob. We can use the biomass and to get the charcoal, wood vinegar, tar, and syngas. Hazardous waste, like different OU tank or the oil sludge, coal tar oil sludge. We can also get the pyrolysis OU. And next is the semi-continuous pyrolysis plant. Well, this is kind of different with the batch type. Can discharge carbon black at a high temperature, don't need to cool down the reactor, so have a higher working efficiency. It's designed by combining the process of continuous and batch type pyrolysis plant, equipped equipment, dimensions, and processing capacity is basically the same as all of batch type. And different lies in the improvement of the feeding and discharging ways. The feeding way is changed from opening furnace door to screw conveyor, sealed feeding ways, and which requires the raw material to be pre-treated. So if your material is a waste tire, we need to process them to rubber powder. If it's plastic, we need to transport them to the plastic particles. Here is the parameter of the semi-continuous. Almost the same, the model the same, and the occupied of the land is the same, just the working efficiency. The batch type is one batch for 1 day, and the semi-continuous one is 3 batch for 2 days. Yes, like this, the need to crush the plastic, and this is the rubber powder. We need to remove the steel wire inside the tire. Then we come to the fully continuous pyrolysis plant. And the fully continuous is a new type of the waste to fluid processing equipment, which is fully automatic and could be controlled by PLC system. The main advantages is continuous feeding and continuous discharging. No need to stop the machine and wait for it to be cooled down for discharging carbon black every day. It runs for 24 hours and can run continuously for about 30 to 40 days, greatly improving production efficiency and reducing labor cost. This is kind of different with the semi and the batch type. First is the model or the capacity. The biggest one is 50 ton. And also we have 15 ton, 20 ton, 18 ton, 40 ton. And another difference is the heating type. The batch type and the semi-continuous is the direct heating, but this is the indirect heating. And the requirements of the workers, 1 to 2 workers. This is the land occupied size. Actually, the fully continuous is much more save on the land because the same capacity, for example, 50 ton, we only need 700 square meters. But for batch type, we need almost 1080. Here is the continuous materials, same as the semi-continuous one. An application of the RU. If you get the pyrolysis RU, we'll use at the heating flue in the steel factory, blower factory, heavy oil generator, cement factory, or we can refine into diesel. And in the diesel generator or diesel flue for heating or the heavy machinery. And the carbon black. It can be heating for burning or refine. And this is different oil yield. Most of our customers are interested in this. Like the tire 45 to 55. 52, and most of the customer will choose the big car tire or the OTR tires. For the general plastic, if you get the pure PPPPS, then oil yield 90 to 95, and the other like the pure ABS is 45. The household garbage 30 to 50, and aluminium plastic nearly 40%. And you need to attention that the PET and PVC, these two materials not suitable to be the pyrolysis. Okay, here is the distillation equipment. It's today's topic. Distillation machine is specially designed for refining black RU, heavy tire, plastic pyrolysis RU, and various industrial waste RU to light diesel. Now, this whole refining process includes distillation, cooling, decoloring, and deodoring system. The final diesel products could be used as alternative flue in diesel burners, generators, heavy machinery, and agricultural machinery. Generally, the diesel yield is about 80 to 85%. The residual materials in the furnace after distillation is heavy OU impurities, which are very similar as asphalt performance. They can be directly used for paving or sold as asphalt plant for further refining. Durings is our company's name. Waste crude oil distillation machinery mainly has two types. The processing design. One is acid alkali refining process, and other is a new catalytic distillation process. With complete specialization and models, our OU distillation machine is realize the green and resource recycling of the waste OU. Here is the two type. Waste is the catalytic, design, and the old one is exit Oakley design. And what can we get after distillation, and what is the application of the products? In this picture it shows like the oil after pyrolysis or the waste oil. We can use this plant, get the diesel for generator, blower or heavy machinery, and also the asphalt we can use for paving and refinery. Here is the parameters of the gas of the distillation plant. The model we have 100 kilogram, 500 or 1 ton, 3 ton, 5 ton, 7 ton, 10 ton, and 14 ton. The heating ways is the direct heating, which fast heating system as the option, and required 2 workers in the whole production line, and it always occupied 200 to 300 centimeter of the 10 ton per day. This is a parameter. Well, if you are interested in this business or the equipment, you can add our WhatsApp. And now in the comment section, we have our WhatsApp and email. You can contact with us directly, or you can send your requirement to us privately, like what material you need to process and the capacity, or other requirements, like, for example, you want to visit our factory or come to our process cases. You can directly contact with our sales manager. Here is the 3D video. You can see about this first, the distillation plant. It is to purify the waste oil to the non-standard diesel, the lighter diesel, and can use a generator, agricultural machine, and ferry or other places. The whole production line includes distillation, the coloring, and the purification system. Here is a purification system to purify the gas. Well, if you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section, or if you want to know more information about the our device, you can send your requirements to us privately. Our sales manager will contact with you immediately, send you our catalog, price list. This is our company's name. Doing is the name of our company. Henan is a province. First, this is the concentration oil. To pump the oil in the whole system, conduction oil. Here is the furnace to heat the conduction oil with the 400,000 calorie burner. And this is the circulating cooling water system of the conduction oil. And also this is in the condensation system. This is a furnace. The conduction oil will go in the bottom and goes out from the up to fully heating exchange. And first, we get this kind of water. And kind of emulsifiable concentrate. They will go through the buffer tank and go into the condensation system to liquidize them into oil. This is the first tank. And then, when the temperature gradually rises, the oil gas will begin to produce. Nearly 380% degree. And the same as the gas, they won't go into the catalytic tank. They will just directly go to the buffer tank and the condensation tank, and then will be collected into the first oil tank. The oil tank is equipped with the glass tube to observe the color of the oil. If the color is not ideal, they will go into the catalytic tower. And the uncondensable gas will return to the furnace for heating to save our extra heating energy. And the next oil gas will pass through the catalytic tower. This is a catalyst A, catalyst B. Inside is the ceramic bowl to use to prevent the catalyst from falling off. And the gas passing through the catalyst directly comes out as a diesel oil, which is condensed into the second oil tank. If the customers want a lighter diesel oil, they can be equipped with our white clay decoloring tank. We need to vacuum the white clay decolorization tank first, so that the subsequent oil can be pumped in. And then this is the conduction oil inside, and pump the oil into the tank, the white clay decoloring tank. Now we add the white clay in this tank, and always needed about 5% of the white clay. And we'll just the motor mixing pump will mix for nearly half an hour. Then we will pump the oil in into the blade filter to fill out the white clay. The oil will just circulating continuously in the blade filter and the white clay decoloring tank. This is a circulating tube. And then this gray one is the back filter, one for use, one for standby. And this is the last filter used to clean the clay, which makes the refined oil quality more better. And then the oil will pump to the big oil tank. And this is the air compressor, which is used to blow air back to the blade filter to dry the white clay hanging inside the filter, making it easier for them to fall off. First, we need to blow the wind and to purify the oil, then to dry the blade. And then the vibration motor is activated to filter out the clay. And this is the gas treatment system, the purification system to purify the hydrogen sulfide or the sulfur dioxide inside the gas, which are harmful for the environment and the human body. Because we have our customers in different regions, so there are different processing plan for the purification system. So this is a whole production line of the new design waste oil distillation plant. Well, if you are interested in this, you can contact with our sales manager. We can give you our catalog and price list. All the equipment just support to be customized. Depends on your capacity and raw materials. If you want to know more information about this business or our processing plant, you can contact with us, send a private message to us. We are the manufacturer of the waste tire, waste plastic, oil sludge, pyrolysis plant, and the waste oil, engine oil, tire oil, pyrolysis, distillation equipment. Also, we have the plant for process the e-waste like the PCB board, lithium battery, and the solar panel. If your material are the kind of this things, you can also ask our sales manager how to process them in a better way. So this is introduction about today's live show. Thank you for watching today. Any questions, you can just ask us by the WhatsApp. You can add our WhatsApp now. In the comment section, we have our information. You can add them. Okay, and goodbye. Thank you for watching today. Have a nice day. I will see you next week.